Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the tensioner pulley on a Volkswagen Jetta or Golf 1.8 turbo engine. This is the 4th generation from 99 all the way until 2005, guys. So what we're doing today, actually we're going to put a new timing belt. We have many videos about that car, so check the playlist out. And we'll show you how to remove and replace the tensioner pulley. Okay, right here. So first you need to remove the belt. Okay, stay with us and watch how to do that. And we removed, as you can see, the reservoir for the coolant and the engine mount, but you will not need to do that. You can replace it without removing anything, just the belt. Alright guys, so we are going to need a 15mm wrench in order to remove the serpentine belt. Okay, you don't need a socket, you need a wrench. And now let me show you exactly. Okay, that's the tensioner pulley. It goes on that on top of the tensioner pulley. And now we need to go clockwise, and it's going to release the belt. Okay, you can see how much we gained now. Okay, let me see now. You need to go ahead, grab it and pull it out of the alternator first, and that is a pretty tight fit here, or the AC compressor, one of the two. Okay, you can see on the bottom. We'll just pull it out of the AC compressor now, and the belt will come out. Okay, just like that. And you can release the pressure now. You don't need to hold the tensioner pulley anymore. And now you need to work your way around it and pull it out of the crankshaft on the bottom. And this is the belt. It's a double-sided belt, as you know. As you can see, it has grooves on both sides. So, and now we'll show you where the bolts are. There is 3 bolts that we will need to be removing. One right here, one there, and one on top right there with a 13mm socket. Okay, all 3 of them. So you can just go ahead and take them off. Okay guys, we got them loose. Okay, all 3 bolts now. You can see the top 2, they actually hold the bracket for the water hose right there. Okay, we have quite a bit of room now because we removed the engine mount, but you don't need to do that, as we said, guys. And okay, that's the tensioner pulley, as you can see. And that's the number. If you need it on any of those, that's the factory one in Germany, made in Germany, Volkswagen. And we'll be replacing it because this one is a little noisy. And as you can see, it even grooved the plastic pulley on it. So that's how you guys remove it. You put it back together the same way we took it apart. We have the video how to install the serpentine belt on it. If you need help, just let us know. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.